value for money. The riverfront location is excellent, the view is superb, the room is spacious, the shower and bath tube very nice. And the reception very nice. A good hotel, value for money. It is only a bit time consuming to get in town. Even that in mind, is not a hassle. Great hotel, some guests not so much. Place was great, comfortable, clean, friendly staff, great in-hotel services. Sadly, some guests seemed unaware of how much their behavior impacted others, eating over common breakfast buffet, cramming into the lift soaked from the pool without toweling off and getting other guests wet, smoking on non-smoking floor, etc. The staff made efforts to deal with these unruly guests, but they were numerous and would have required constant supervision to handle everything. It really put a damper on my experience, and I hope to be able to return to a better stay next time. Great Bang FPR Yearbook. Great experience all the way around. Friendly staff, clean and comfortable room, nice hotel gym and pool. We'll stay there again. So nice peep, so cooperative. Good hotel, excellent staff and awesome facilities. Nice location with good price. I stayed this hotel 2 nights. Location, it's nice, not far from train station, only 5 to 10 minutes from Ashok BTS train station and night market all around the train stations. Nana BTS and shopping malls are very near. You can go by walk or use Uber or tuk-tuk. Nice view, good nightlife and breakfast is good. I recommend to all those travelers who want reasonable price. NC $35.45 with 4-star hotel view room. Try it. Cheers, see you guys next year. Smile. Value for money and well-equipped gym. This is the second time I stayed in this hotel. On both occasions they gave me nice room. Room 1411 and 1511 are both well maintained. The staff at the reception are brilliant and very helpful. The checkout process is very quick. Sometimes you may find large number of group travelers, but somehow they cope all the work. I will definitely stay again when I visit BKK. Good stay, thank you because I enjoyed my stay. Smile. Good room, very good. Great hospitality from reception. After arriving at the hotel, I received a warm welcome with a friendly smile and an upgrade of my room without requesting this. Location excellent, great pool facility at 6th level. Pricing reasonable, except they need to consider free Wi-Fi in rooms to make more attractive offer. Breakfast reasonable for price. I travel to Bangkok every month and will stay again. Awesome. Average.